Good morning, traders. Going to take a look at a few charts this morning. Just to give you a heads up, I'm using the Trend Spider charting system, and I'm going to be using an indicator called the Go No Go indicator. And basically, what it means is it's 5 colors. Very blue is very bullish, teal is bullish, orange is neutral and tends to signal a reversal, and light pink is bearish, and dark purple is very bearish. So let's just jump into the charts. Again, going to be using the 65-minute chart just for equal candle purposes. And so you could see from this swing low here, grab my tool, from this swing low to this swing high, we're getting a 50 to 618 retracement. I like to look for reversals in this zone. And we also are getting our first neutral candle after this downtrend. RSI is hovering around 50, no squeezes to note. And then if this is our bottom, then from that swing high to that swing low, here are our retracement levels. So you can see I've anchored my volume profile to the prior low, and we have a beautiful volume shelf up here right above the Fibonacci 618 retracement. So if we do see a break over 3090, then I would expect we should move fairly quickly up to the 3250 range. All right, so that is Amazon. Next up is LULU Lemon. And this has actually had a pretty good chart relative to the rest of the market. Some of the other charts we're going to look at are pretty much in a downtrend. This one's bucking the trend. It's in an uptrend. And one thing I'm looking at potentially is a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4 triangle, potentially wave 5 move up here. Why I think that I'm seeing that right here, you see this gap up in wave 3. That's generally a telltale sign. And then wave 4s tend to be triangles. So A, B, C, D, E, and then you have your wave 5 move up, this potentially being wave 1, 2, 1, 2 of wave 5. So watching for a break over 396 on LULU. Next up is Square. This name has really been beaten down, again anchoring my volume to the prior high here on this particular swing. You can see we're coming into a demand zone. We had a neutral candle here. It didn't exactly give us the right signal, but we went from dark purple and skipped over the neutral candle right into slightly bullish, very bullish, slightly bullish. So potential 1-2 pullback here. I didn't do some fib work here, but this is likely around a 50% retrace here. And we are getting a TTM squeeze, although it was only a 1 candle squeeze, it fired to the downside. So want to see if this holds up maybe in this shelf here, potential reversal off this level and a move back higher. And again, these are all contingent on the market cooperating. Next up is Tesla. So Tesla has earnings tomorrow. And again, you can see nice push higher with a retracement. If this is our low and that's our swing high, these are the levels that I'm going to be watching back to the upside. This is around a 382 retracement from that swing right there. Got a squeeze setting up. We're breaking 50 on RSI. Watch over 1015. Provided a little bit of resistance. We're getting these 2 orange candles here. And so that potentially could signal a reversal to the upside. So today and tomorrow are going to be interesting for Tesla because they do report after earnings tomorrow. And that's basically what I'm going to be watching on Tesla. But I do think there are some trades here over 1015. And last but not least is ZIM. So ZIM, after they reported earnings here, they did a $17 dividend. That's what caused the price to hit back down. You get this orange neutral reversal, signaling potential reversal. We got that. More reversal candles right here on the trend line, push lower, and now we're getting another reversal candle here. So this white line, this is our 21 EMA. We did break above that. So I'm going to be watching ZIM. Beautiful break here on 50 RSI. Really nice slingshot squeeze setting up. We do have, again, anchoring my volume to the upside here at the prior swing high, we do have a little bit of supply here. If we can get over basically $60, then we have more supply up here. This would be my main target from here to here. You can see there's a pretty big volume gap right here. So I think over 59.88, give or take $60, we should see a nice move higher. It could be a quick move, especially with this squeeze setting up. So that's basically what I'm looking at. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. My name is Danny Naz. I am the Pup of Wall Street. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube under that. Have a great day.